Thanks for stopping by. This is my version of the ultimate shop workbench. I wanted to get this video out now that shows a finished bench, but I plan to release a video by March 30th that will go through more details on the construction of the workbench and the thought that went into it. Watch for the video on or before March 30th. I set a date to make sure I actually do it. I wanted to create a workbench before I started to finish out my shed and garage. It needed to be mobile but big enough to carry most of my tools and gear. I thought it would be great to have one place to hang most of my tools. I also wanted to have a lot of surface space so I can work on a variety of projects. Some of the features of the workbench include 2 drawers, a space to store toolboxes and other large items, dedicated slots for easy access to power tools, plenty of options to store screws and nails, magnets to easily hang up wrenches and other metal tools, a metal bar for hanging tools with belt clips, like tape measures, hammers and mallet holders, canister holders, dedicated spot to store circular saw blades, squares, and speed squares. It was important to me that this bench be as versatile as possible. That is why it has wheels and can carry a lot of weight. To keep it easy to build, I mostly use 2x4s and 2 sheets of 3/4 inch 4x8 plywood. With my upcoming detailed construction video, almost anyone can build this bench. Thanks for stopping by and watch for the more detailed video coming out soon.